Similar to other materials, AZEK trim can expand and contract due to changes in temperature. Properly fastening the material along its entire length will minimize expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. Using Cortex or stainless steel screws is recommended to restrict movement. As a rule, if you can bend the fastener in your fingers, it is too thin. No wire or brad nails. The more the product is mechanically fastened on longer runs, the less likely it will move. Screws restrict movement more than nails. You can further restrict movement on longer runs by reducing on-center fastening. AZEK trim differs from installing wood, as it should be fastened near the end of the board. Fasteners for AZEK trim should be placed within 2 inches of the ends of the board. Never put fasteners through a scarf joint. Use 2 fasteners every 16 inches or less. For trim boards 8 inches and wider, use 3 fasteners at ends at every 16 inches or less. Drive the screw or nail until it's flush or slightly below the trim board. For premium results, use our Cortex Collated Fastening System. Use a standard 18-volt cordless impact drill. Set the Cortex fastener perpendicular to the trim board using the Cortex setting tool. Place the PVC trim plug into the hole with the trim surface side up, and gently tap until it is flush with the trim board. You can also use fasteners designed for wood trim, such as a number 8 trim screw. Drive the screw or nail until it is flush or slightly below the trim board. Visit azekexteriors.com for more information.